So, we got another unboxing vid for you. Apparently there was a little bit of confusion yesterday on the other unboxing vid. We thought that was a Father's Day gift, but this one is. We're going to use the Spyderco Pacific Salt as our unboxing tool today. Let's see. This thing open here.
Happy late Father's Day.
Thank you.
Happy good Father's Day.
This could be something really nice. This looks like it's from Tad Gear. Okay. Unboxing vid attempt number 2.
Let's see what we got here.
Let's see what we have here. It looks like, again, we got the Spyderco H1 Pacific Salt.
Colgera.
This vid is not the Colgera. That's an upcoming vid. Upcoming vid, 9:30 Colgera. Let's see some Tad Gear goodness here. Tad Gear Force 10 cargo shorts sold out. Darn it! Let's see what else we have in here. Right in the Rain all-weather field book. Very, very cool. That is awesome.
Now take the other stick
Thank
out.
you, ladies.
Happy birthday. Wait, happy Father's Day.
Let's see what else we have here. Some Tad Eyes. Wicked.
See him. Dog. Dog paws.
Dog paws or bear paws?
I helped pick those up.
These things.
Dad, I helped pick
These
those
things
up.
are Tad Gear goodness. Thank you. Let's see what else we have. That's it? What is this? What is this?
Oh, yeah.
Tad Gear Tech short sleeve shirt. ME green. Awesome!
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, me. Thank you, Ella.
Oh, I am going to look awesome in this shirt.
Later
fine.
today, we're swimming again.
Very, very cool. Anything Tad Gear, much appreciated.
Come out.
So we got our Tad Gear Tech Tee short sleeve, extra large, ME green. We got our Tad Eyes, glow in the dark Pathfinder Bear Claw thingamajigs. And we've got our Right in the Rain all-weather field book. Very, very cool. Opened with the H1 Pacific Salt. So
Look at all.
that's all
those
we've got for
presents.
today, guys. Upcoming review on the Spyderco Pacific Salt. Awesome knife.
Awesome.
Full serrated. Okay. Signing off.